Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use a Safari Obelisk Charm and grow a garden, and basically what it does. It says the effects is to summon 4 of the greater elements of the Safari. That just means it's going to summon a random Safari themed weather. I think it's similar to the other charm, the elephant tusk charms or something. So I'm just going to use it now and see what happens. Ooh. What weather is this? Safari hunt. That's cool. I've never seen this weather before. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.